Uh, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zahida Abid. Today, my task is a review on a TED Talk, Andreas lecture. Um, uh, they, this topic use data to build better schools. Andreas Schleicher is a global education expert and director for education at the OECD. In this TED Talk, he explains how using data effectively can help build better schools and improve education systems around the world. The key points of TED Talk: data helps make better decisions. Schools and governments should rely on real evidence and data instead of assumptions when making educational decisions. The best education system learn from each other. This is very good point. Successful countries share effective teaching methods and educational practices. Teachers are the key to quality education. This is another good point. Well trained, respected, and supported teachers have the greatest impact on student success. Every student can succeed. This is also a very good point. With the right support, opportunities, and learning environment, every child has the potential to achieve. And this is the shadow of thinking of Surat Watin. لقد خلقنا الإنسان في أحسن تقويم. Uh, and every student can succeed. This is the thinking of Quran Pak. And next point, education is more than test scores. Schools should also develop creativity, critical thinking, problem solving, and collaboration skills. Uh, Equal opportunities matters. Every student, regardless of background, deserves access to high quality education. And next point, technology is a tool, not the solution. Technology can support learning, but great teaching and effective classroom practices make the real differences. And continuous improvement is essential. And this is a main point. Schools should regularly evaluate their performance and use data to improve teaching and learning. Focus on future skills. Uh, this is a very good point. Education should prepare students with the knowledge and skills they need to thrive in a rapidly changing world. Investing in education is investing in the future. The next point, the TED Talk, strong education systems contribute to growth, innovation, and a better society. And the main message, better schools are built through informed decisions, excellent teachers, equal opportunities, and continuous improvement. Data should not only measure learning, it should help improve it. And thank you very much. Goodbye.